Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. They all worked hard, making clouds and spreading rain, to cause the heat and afflictions of all beings to vanish. There were also innumerable Kumbhanda kings, led by such as Increase, Dragon Lord, Banner of Adornments of Goodness, Universally Beneficial Action, Most Fearsome, Handsome with Beautiful Eyes, High Peak Intellect, Brave and Strong Arms, Boundless Pure Flower Eyes, Enormous godlike face with Titan's eyes. They all diligently practiced and studied the teachings of freedom from impediment, and emitted great light. There were also innumerable Gandharva kings, led by such as Sustaining the Nation, Tree Light, Clear Eyes, Flower Crown, Universal Sound, Joyously Moving Beautiful Eyes, Wondrous Sound Lion Banner, Diamond Tree Flower Banner, joyfully causing adornments to appear everywhere. They all had deep faith and appreciation of the great teaching, rejoiced in it and respected it, and diligently practiced it tirelessly. There were also innumerable moon deities, led by such as Moon Godling, Flower King Topknot Halo, myriad sublime pure lights, pacifying the hearts of the world, luminosity of Tree King Eyes, manifesting pure light, immutable light traveling everywhere, sovereign monarch of constellations, moon of pure awareness, great majestic light. All strive to bring to light the mind jewel of living beings. There were also innumerable sun deities, led by such as Sun Godling, Eyes of Flames of Light, Awesome Light, Undefiled Jewel Arrays, Non-Regressing Courage, Light of Beautiful Flower Garlands, Supreme Banner Light, Universal Light of a Jewel Topknot, Eyes of Light. All of them diligently learned and practiced to benefit living beings and increase their roots of goodness. There were also innumerable kings of the 33 heavens, led by such as Chakra Indra, everywhere intoning fulsome sound, Kind Eyes Jewel Topknot, Jewel Light Banner Fame, Joy-producing Topknot, Admirable Right Mindfulness, Supreme Sound of the Polar Mountain, Perfect Mindfulness, Pleasing Flower Light, Eye of the Sun of Knowledge, Independent Light able to enlighten. All of them strive to bring forth great works in all worlds.